Hi, this is Lisa from SCYAP Art Center. Thank you for tuning into our first SCYAP YouTube art tutorial. Today we're going to be learning how to make an adorable and easy felt dinosaur plushie. For materials, we're going to need felt, small pieces of colored felt, sewing thread and needle, a marker for drawing the eye or actual googly eyes, a washable marker or pen for drawing on the felt, a glue stick, scissors, and polyester filling. You'll also need the dinosaur template, which is on our website, or you could draw your own. We're going to cut out the pieces on the template, including the dinosaur and the spikes. Next, we're going to trace the dinosaur template onto the felt, and we're going to need 2 pieces. Then we're going to cut them out with our scissors. Here I've already cut the first piece, and now I'm just cutting out the second piece. Next, we're going to trace the spikes onto our small pieces of colored felt. And we're going to do the same thing and cut them out. Here I have 3 orange spikes and 2 blue ones. Next, we're going to arrange the spikes on one piece of our dinosaur. We're going to use a bit of glue to temporarily hold them down. Then when you're done gluing, place the other dinosaur on top. This is optional, but you can also use sewing pins to hold everything in place. Thread your needle and thread. You're going to need about 2 to 3 arms lengths worth of thread. Line up the ends together and hold it between your thumb and index finger. And then we're going to wrap the thread around our index finger a few times, then push our thumb forwards to roll the thread into a knot. To start sewing, we're going to poke the needle through the underneath of one single layer of the dinosaur. This is to hide the knot and keep it tucked inside. The stitch we're going to be using is called a running stitch. It's basically a stitch that goes up and down through the 2 pieces of felt. So you're gonna go up through both pieces, leave a bit of space, and go down again. Go up, and then down again, so you make basically little dashes all around. Keep sewing around the dinosaur and remember to leave a small opening for stuffing. Now that we reached the end, to end the stitch, we're gonna go through one layer again, poking the needle halfway only. And then with your other hand, you're gonna wrap the thread around the needle a few times and pull it through, and it should create a knot for you. And then you could cut off the excess thread. Now that the thread is tied off, we can fill the dinosaur. If you don't have polyester filling, you can also use pieces of scrap fabric or even cotton balls. To finish off our dinosaur, we're going to sew it again with the running stitch and end off the knot in the same way we did before. Now you could either draw an eye on with paint or a marker, or you could use an actual googly eye. And now your adorable dinosaur is finished. Written instructions will be linked to our website in the description box below. Please check out our website for more fun art and craft tutorials. Thank you for tuning in, and make sure to subscribe for more fun art videos. Have fun, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!